Hello everyone. So today I have another product to unbox and this is OnePlus Nord 5G mobile. I have purchased this mobile from Amazon and it costed me around 27,999 rupees. So we will open the box. So first we have the phone over here. Then we have a box with the welcome letter. Then the mobile case, it's a silicone rubber case. And then some quick start guides and instruction manuals. Then we have a C-type cable. And a 15-watt charging brick. And one of these pins which you can use to take out the SIM of your phone and insert that one. So I will keep the box aside. Here we have the phone itself. It has got two cameras at the top of the screen and they are of 32 megapixels. And at the back we are having the 48 megapixel cameras. There are 4 cameras in total. And this has got a matte finish at back and has the Gorilla Glass. So I will turn it on. This has got 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. There are two other variants which are also available. The one is the 6GB and 64GB and the other one is 12GB to 56GB. So I've completed the setup and this is how the phone looks. I've installed some apps on this but still it feels very smooth. It has got a 90 Hz refresh rate and it's using the OnePlus OxygenOS. The OxygenOS is a version 10.5.8 and Android 10. And it has got a processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. But whatever it is, it feels really smooth. And this is the camera. You have got several modes over here: slow motion, panorama, time-lapse, video, photo, portrait, nightscape, pro. As it has got a very nice camera, you can use it to capture some great photos. And that's pretty much about the phone. It feels really great. So if you want, I will provide the link in the description. You can go and buy from there. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe and share as we keep on bringing such awesome videos regularly on our channel. And if you have any query or doubt, you can post on the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you.